actually a Sunday morning. We are going to scoot over to Hamilton this morning to, Carson's playing with his GoPro, to help this guy mill the cedar wood that we showed you that we cut down and threw one in our arena last time. Well, that Matt did, right?
Yeah.
If you hadn't watched that video, I'll tag it up top. Take a look. It was tree cutting gone wrong. So one of the trees fell straight into our arena that totally wasn't planned. We are going to go over here and see what milling wood is all about. I've never seen it done, so I'm super excited and super excited to see this process go from trees on our own farm to cutting down to milling the wood, and then we get to use them in our remodel. Super excited. So we got to get them cut and get them drying so that a few months from now we can use them for all that. So come on along, we'll show you what we're going to do today. Alright, so he cut a tree in half and he's framing it up. Hey, just so y'all know, you're about to see me enter in this, my favorite pair of floral overalls ever. My mom tells me that I wear them too much in the videos, that people are going to think I don't have anything else. I really do. But these are the absolute best overalls from Duluth Trading Company ever. I just have not splurged on another pair yet. huge stack of wood here. It's going to be the dry man. Matt can pick it up later. And of course we got here. Save some fence post. It'll shade it a little bit. That's our man's one. Alright, we came back to pick up all the wood that me and Carson milled last week. And we're gonna have to make another trip. Alright. All stacked. Matt, what you think?
Well, the cedar wood.